All right, the news now coming in with the information with details that the mortal remains of former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh will be brought to the AICC headquarters in Delhi, and that will be on the 20th of December, which is tomorrow. So today, possibly, it will be at the residence, but people, so that they can pay their last respect, will be tomorrow. I reiterate that the mortal remains of Dr. Manmohan Singh will be brought to the AICC headquarters tomorrow, on Saturday, 28th December, for people to pay their last respect. His last rites eventually will be performed near Rajghat, and one of the reasons for this is because the family member, the daughter of Dr. Manmohan Singh, is currently en route from the United States of America, and she'll of course likely reach by this evening, and the family of course needs to pay their last respects too. Shreya Chatterjee joining me from the location of AICC. So Shreya, not happening today is what we are told. That means funeral and last rites will also take place tomorrow. But I'm sure that in a short while there will be people gathering, there will be arrangements made at the AICC as well.
Well, you know, Pooja, today's day will probably look like jam-packed at the residence of Manmohan Singh, where his mortal remains will be kept for the entire day today. All senior dignitaries, including the Prime Minister, will be paying his tribute there at Manmohan Singh's residence. We are being told it's tomorrow when his mortal remains will be brought into the Congress headquarters, kept for a while for a public viewing, where public can come in and pay their last respect. And then finally, near the Rajghat area is where suggestively his final rites will be taking place, and that is also tomorrow because his daughter is already on her way back from the US. So that is so far as the lining of the program is concerned. Unlikely today that we will see much happening at the Congress headquarters because all the senior Congress leaders, including Rahul Gandhi and everyone else, will most likely be seen at the residence of Manmohan Singh in Motilal Nehru Marg, where his mortal remains is currently kept.
All right, so we'll be tracking the latest on this, and remember that till the last minute, he was present as a Rajya Sabha MP, and in his ailing days as well, had ensured if it took a wheelchair, may as well come on it, but attend the session and look at the proceedings and cast the vote when it was required as a voter. Quintessential Indian in many ways.